To receive money via Zelle without a bank account, you can use a digital wallet or a prepaid debit card that is Zelle eligible. First, you need to check if the sender's bank or credit union offers Zelle. You can do this by visiting the Zelle website and using their lookup tool to see if the sender's bank is a participating member. Next, you will need to enroll in Zelle using the Zelle app or through a participating bank or credit union's website. If you do not have a bank account, you can use a digital wallet such as PayPal or a prepaid debit card from a provider like Green Dot or NetSpend. These digital wallets and prepaid debit cards can be used to receive Zelle payments as long as they are Zelle eligible. Once you have enrolled in Zelle, you will need to provide the sender with your email address or mobile phone number associated with your digital wallet or prepaid debit card. The sender can then use the Zelle app or their bank's website to send you money. When the sender initiates the payment, you will receive a notification that the money is available in your digital wallet or on your prepaid debit card. It is essential to note that some digital wallets and prepaid debit cards may have fees associated with Zelle transactions. Be sure to review the terms and conditions of your digital wallet or prepaid debit card before using it to receive Zelle payments. Additionally, always verify the sender's identity and ensure that you are receiving money from a trusted source to avoid any potential scams. By following these steps, you can receive money via Zelle without a bank account using a digital wallet or a prepaid debit card. This is a convenient and secure way to receive payments from friends, family, or coworkers, even if you do not have a traditional bank account.